Our target sound is j, jet. Our key sentence is, the large magic jet flew off the bridge. Listen for the j sound when I read the sentence again. The large magic jet flew off the bridge. Remember, our key sentence helps us to know the different spellings of j, j, large, j, magic, j, jet, j, bridge. There are at least 10 ways to spell the j sound. Here are the 4 most common ways to spell j. J, 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 just, magic, page, fridge. This spelling for j can be kind of tricky. When the letter G is next to the letter I, try j, as in magic, giant, giraffe, tragic. Do you see these words? In every one, there is the letter G next to the letter I, and so we say the j sound there. This also works if you see the letter G next to the letter E. J, angel, gentle, germ, genie. Do you see in all of these words, we have the letter G right next to the letter E, so we say the j sound. It also works when the G goes next to a Y, as in gym, allergy, apology, energy. The letter G is right next to the letter Y in all of these words, so that's why we're doing the j sound there. Now I'm going to read some words that have some various j spellings. I want you to watch and look for the spellings of j and see what you can wonder, see what you notice. Jump, jug, jungle, page, genius, gym, fudge, judge, graduation, smudge, soldier. Wow, look at this j spelling. J. It's got 3 sounds. Oh, wow. It's a 3-letter spelling for j. And look at soldier. Oh my, it's a 2-letter spelling. It's spelled D-I. J is spelled with a D and an I. Did you ever know that? How fun.